Let me show you on this video how to review your orders in Jotform Inbox. So follow me to my desktop right now. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Jotform. On this video, I'm going to show you how to review your orders inside of Jotform Inbox. So let's get started. This is my main workspace and I'm going to select the form that I use to make sales already. In this case, it's this one, sales form. I'm going to click on the more option here and I'm going to go into Inbox. Now, this is one of the ways that you can jump into Inbox. The other option would be to click on the top menu and go to the Inbox section. Okay, now I am right here. I'm able to view every one of the orders that I've made previously, and I have a clear view here in Inbox to view each one of these orders. Now, one of the cool features here in Inbox is that we can add tags. For example, I can set this to do in case this is a brand new order and I haven't shipped it out, or I haven't even organized anything to start shipping this out. So I can add the tag right here really easily. I can add a reply here if I need to. So it's super easy and practical. Maybe I need to update someone that the order will take longer than expected. So I can do a reply right here straight from Jotform. I can also make comments. So for example, ready to send next week. And this is just a comment that I can quickly view here so I can keep track of everything that's going on. And on the right, I also have the option to download this, print it, customize it, edit, reply, forward, comment, and so much more. Even add a star if I think that this is something that I need to favorite or keep track of it really easily by viewing that little yellow star right here. So it's practical. Plus, I have a little red dash here because it has a tag here. Maybe this one, I'll add a different tag, maybe in progress, because I'm already about to ship this out. And it's a clear view of things that you can do here in Inbox. Now, another thing that we can do here is add a different view here by clicking on New Tab. For example, I'm just going to name this test. I'm going to create the tab and I can use this for different type of purposes. For example, in this case, I will have all the details for the inbox, and on my new tab, maybe I'll create a filter that might be useful for me. For example, I'm going to choose the field for my products, and if it includes sweater, here we go. Let's go ahead and apply the filter. I'm only going to view the inbox for the purchases that sold sweaters. So here we go. It's super easy to view right here. And I can have a view for all the inbox here for all the sales that were made, and a different view just for sweaters. And I can create new tabs for different purposes. So it's really easy and practical to manage your orders here on the Jotform Inbox. So what are you waiting for? Sign up right now for Jotform, start making some sales, and track your orders here on Inbox. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification to get notified when new videos come out. And that's a wrap.